Hey guys, this is Ken Goins here, KG Cleaning Service. I'm with my good friend Jeremy Reynolds with Drone Photography. We're doing a little giveaway for our realtor friends, just to show how much we appreciate y'all and all the great clients you send us and trust us with. It means so much to us. And so to show our appreciation, and we really want to support such a great guy like Jeremy and his business. If you haven't checked out Drone Photography, I highly recommend it. You won't regret it. Jeremy, I guess the way I'd say it, I've known Jeremy through the chamber, Dawson County Chamber, and it's important to have honesty. And I can't think of too many people who are as honest and just real as Jeremy is. He's a great guy. He's very passionate about his work, and I've seen some of his work. It's really amazing. So if you need a drone guy, this is the perfect chance to do it, because you have the property you need to have. This is a 1-hour session, $300 value. We're going to do a drawing on it. We need you to like, comment, and share, our realtor friends, and then you'll be entered into the drawing, and then we'll do a drawing on, what was it, the 11th?
The 11th.
Okay.
The 11th. Thursday the 11th.
There's a little gift card for it. And, it's a really great value. You don't want to pass this up. I want to let Jeremy talk a little bit about what he does. You'll feel the passion just by talking about it. He's awesome. So what you got?
Well, thank you, Ken. I appreciate your help and all this. Thank you so much, man. You are a good friend. And I'm not saying that just to say it, man. I really appreciate everything that you've done for me and for my family and for my business. I really appreciate
You're a blessing to the community.
Thank you. You are a true blessing to all of us. Everybody knows who you are, so we really appreciate you. But those who don't know me, my name is Jeremy Reynolds, and I own a business called Drone Photography and Video. And basically what that is I take videos and photos via a drone, and I take them from 5 feet off the ground to 400 feet off the ground. So for all
He's a pro at it. I tried to use one and I wrecked it until long went out.
Yes, it is. It took me a while too. It took me a while too. The first one that I had, I turned it on and ran right into a tree. So it is. It took me a while, but I've been flying for about 3 years now, and now I got it. And it's just like riding a bike. I got one of the best drones called the Maverick 2 Pro, which is literally one of the best drones out there on the market. The thing that drone does is absolutely amazing. It's got sensors all over it to where I could fly it right to a building and it will stop about 3-5 feet from the building. So the pictures that it takes, the videos that it takes are all high definition.
And check out his Facebook.
It's absolutely amazing.
Some of the Facebook pictures and videos, you'll see what I'm talking about. The drone photography is, it's a $300 value, 1-hour session. I don't want to speak for you, Jeremy.
No, absolutely. No, you're fine.
I don't think he's going to cut it off in 1 hour either. He's so passionate what he does.
Yes, I won't. I'll do whatever it needs to be done to get it.
Sorry to interrupt.
No, you're fine. No, just like you said, we're doing the 1-hour giveaway. But what my goal is, if I show up, is to be able to show whoever wins and anyone who's interested that they're going to get a great product. And I also, one of the things that I do for my clients is I offer them the rights to all videos and all photos. I'm not one of those that's going to charge you for extra prints or charge you for extra videos. Once I shoot it, I give you a hard copy, and I'm able to give you a copy right there on site. But usually it's depending on which I have several different packages. Depending on whatever package that you get, it's about 24-hour, 36-hour turnover time. So it goes very quick.
Can we put those packages, the prices in the comments?
Yes, absolutely. We'll get those to you guys so you guys can see them. So, everybody knows that drones are starting to be used in all areas of everyday work. So if anybody has any questions, you can feel free to call me on my cell 678-732-5589, or you can also go on my website, which is www.dronephotographyandvideos with an S at the end.com. Also, you can check us out on Facebook as well. So please, if you have any questions, just give us a call. I'd be happy to talk with you and explain everything that's involved in drone photography, why you have to have a pilot's license. You have to have a pilot's
Really?
license. Oh
I
yeah,
had no
absolutely.
idea.
If you want to
I
have a
like the plane
drone,
already.
if you want to fly a drone and you want to make money off it, you have to have a pilot's license,
That's
and I
awesome.
have one. So I'll be happy to explain that as well. So that's something that most people
There's
just
probably a
don't know.
reason I don't need a pilot's license. I'm so high risk.
But you've got passion, and that's what it takes.
Well, hey, you said something. If y'all could just listen how much passion Jeremy actually has, it's really incredible, and it's great to be around. This is
Absolutely.
something we wanted to do to show a thank you to all our
That's
realtor
right.
friends.
That's right.
I promise you, you will not regret going with Jeremy.
That's right.
And for those, if you don't win, give Jeremy a call.
That's right. That's all right. I'll take care of you too. I offer discount, especially to all those who are military. Who I want to also thank those who are actually working during this crisis that we're having right now. So thank you for everybody who's out there working, and just going out there and embracing the storm that we're in right now. But best believe that we're going to get through this. But everybody, please stay safe, and we're going to pray for everybody. We're going to keep everybody, in our prayers. So we thank you all.
Well, so just like and share and comment on the video so we can put you in the drawing. That's the best way we can keep up with it and help support, our good friend Jeremy. He's just such a great guy.
Thank you.
God bless y'all. We thank you so
Absolutely.
much.
God bless you all.